just rode a taxi from the airport. We paid like around 300 pesos. And then we hired an aircon bus going to Bato via Barili because that's the bus going to Malboal. We paid 480 pesos for the two of us, so that's like 240 each. So see you after 3 to 4 hours. Bye. Guys, in case you're wondering if you have a media pod for GoPro or not, so we have this instead. It's just a cell phone and we're using the flashlight.
Life hacks.
Life hacks. Cheap hacks. Broke hacks. Broke person hacks. Bye. We're already here at Malboal. So like an unfortunate event happened. I booked this homestay in Agoda and we arrived I think 5 a.m. So and no one was there at the check-in counter, and we waited for like maybe 45 minutes and I checked my email and then I saw that they canceled our accommodation 5 days ago. So I booked another homestay in Agoda, so thankfully there's an available accommodation just near the initial accommodation and they were able to accommodate us, but unfortunately we can't do early check-in because all of their rooms are full. So right now we're just walking ahead, finding a place to have breakfast because we're really starved and we haven't had any sleep yet, and we feel like we will be sleeping this afternoon because we don't know if someone will check out early. Yeah. And you know what's another unfortunate thing? I've already vlogged this, so I just repeated this again because eventually I recorded using time wrap. Time wrap? Bye bye. So we're here at the gas station today, so we stopped by to top up. We're going to start our tour. We're going to go to Cambais Falls, Osmeña Peak, and I forgot the other name of the falls. But anyway, we're going to two waterfalls and Osmeña Peak. Bye.
A mi lado, sabrosa y tan dulce como un mango. Una chica de Bahía con milagros, cantita bien caro. La baiela, brasilera canta a capela. Dime portugués todo lo que quieras, yo te llego en cualquier manera. Semi-automatic, shoot my shot in burst until I had it. Fuck a drama, she was cinematic. Speak to me in tongues like a fanatic. Yeah, she fan. Me gusta bien caro, en un Ferrari bien caro, con mucho clase caro, con un estilo bien caro. Me gusta bien caro, en lencería bien caro.
Hello guys, so we're already here at Cancalanog Falls, or they call this falls as Canlaob Falls as well. Pila to kaas. Oh, by the way, and the entrance fee is 50 pesos per person and the parking fee is 20 pesos.
Yeah. Dun, 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 dun.
Hi guys, so we're already here at the first level of Cambais Falls. So make sure to wear the proper footwear because the way going here is almost made of rock, so it's kind of slippery, and if you're gonna wear slippers, I think it's no good. Okay, bye.
But important. Good.
Hi guys, so we're here at level 2 of Cambais Falls. So our tour guide told us that there's supposed to be like falling water on these two, but then since it's summer, it has all dried out. So this is level 2, and I'm really telling myself to push through third level because you guys, the way here is very sketchy and I have like short legs. Okay, bye.
Hindi kita lang pero may BM. Wow.
Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm here at the level 3 of Cambais Falls. So I really couldn't feel my legs right now. They're all jelly from the I don't know, climb or something. Yeah, I don't know how to go down. So yeah, but I have like 3 amazing people with me. So good luck to them and to me as well. Bye. Hi guys, so we're already here at Osmeña Peak. We paid 50 pesos for environmental fee, but that's like per person, so we paid 100 pesos. Tapos ano pa ba? Hala, wala gali ako to kabayad sa donation box sa CR. Ako. Amo lang nababagin baydan mo? Oh, and then 100 pesos fee for the tour guide. So a total of 200 pesos. Okay. So again, wear proper footwear because the way is sketchy. Bye bye. Flowers. May Changi. Gusto mo San Miguel ba or Red Horse?
While hiking. Walang nga ba itong ano? Lapit na. Lapit na.
Hi guys, so we're already here at the peak of Osmeña Peak. So we're just waiting for our turn because there's a lot of people in there taking their pictures. So yeah, we're just waiting for our turn. Okay, bye bye.
Hi ka pa. Yeah. Wow. Ba na yan?
Hi guys, so we're here at Tambayan. We just finished our tour for today. So we went to Cancalanog Falls, Cambais Falls, and Osmeña Peak. Very tiring but super worth it, and I couldn't wait for the next adventure. Bye-bye!